CEOs speak, their people listen. That was the mindset that sparked the establishment of the Business Leaders Health and Safety Forum in 2010, when 94 chief executives from across New Zealand signed up to a pledge for zero harm workplaces with the support of Prime Minister John Key. Only a few months later, New Zealand was rocked by its worst ever workplace accident at Pike River Mine on the west coast of the South Island. The tragic death of 29 miners laid bare the systemic failures across government and business and became a turning point for New Zealand, with major regulatory reform to come. Those lessons and subsequent regulatory reform ushered in a new era of accountability, including for senior leaders around the executive and board tables for the first time. Forum CEOs and their organisations were ready to step up and were at the forefront of submissions to government in support of the then Health and Safety at Work Act 2015. In 15 years, we've developed foundational frameworks and guides for CEOs and senior leaders, supporting them to make sense of their unique work in driving better performance, from managing critical risks to fostering and growing mentally healthy work and monitoring what matters. We've hosted inspirational speakers from across the globe, sharing insights from major health and safety successes and disasters, imparting wisdom on what really matters when it comes to looking after the health and safety of your people. In 15 years, we've shared more than 50 homegrown leadership stories demonstrating the power of applying disciplined foundations and weaving in progressive and emerging approaches to navigate perennial challenges. Supply chain leadership, contractor management, critical risk control, worker involvement, and effective governance.
Workplace deaths and injuries are costing the economy $4.4 billion a year.
In 2023, alongside economist Shamubeel Yacob, we released the inaugural State of a Thriving Nation report, for the first time putting a cost on New Zealand's poor health and safety performance. This now annually produced report is playing a part in reframing and informing New Zealand's health and safety discussion. In 15 years, we've evolved from zero harm workplaces where CEOs could come together several times a year to a forum focused on creating cultures that enable businesses and people to thrive. We've grown more than fourfold and now support more than 440 CEOs and their organisations who are committed to driving healthier, safer and more productive workplaces. We bring together leaders in person, around board tables, on site, with international keynotes, and since COVID, virtually. Each of these providing different opportunities to connect, to share and to learn. We know the work of the Forum and its members is not done. Together with government and other system players, we all have a responsibility to lift New Zealand's health, safety and productivity performance. It's great to be able to reflect on the leadership work Forum members have driven across Aotearoa over the last 15 years. The culture of work has changed dramatically over that time, with many leaders now fully understanding and grasping the importance of understanding their workers to drive safer, healthier and more productive work. In 2025, when the people speak, I'm confident more CEOs are listening.